Remove the battery pack and secure the battery compartment cover in the open position. Use a H5 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the seat assembly. Pull the seat assembly back and remove it. Use a knife to peel off the front left guard sticker. Use a PH2 bit to remove the 7 screws securing the upper left guard. Tilt the guard lower section out and up to remove. Repeat procedure to remove the upper right guard on the opposite side. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 6 screws securing the bottom cover. Use a PH2 bit to remove the 4 screws securing the front air deflector. Starting on the right side, use a PH2 bit and M10 socket to remove the 10 screws securing the left inner cover. Use a 10mm wrench and PH2 bit to remove the 7 screws securing the front left and right guard. Use a side cutter and flathead screwdriver to remove the 3 cable ties securing the LCD wire. Release the 2 wire buckles to remove the LCD wire. Use a H5 bit to remove the 4 screws securing the headlight assembly. Use a H5 bit to remove the 2 screws securing LCD screen. Unplug and remove the left handlebar switch wire. Remove the spiral cable wrap. Use a H5 bit to loosen the left brake lever. Use a PH2 bit to remove the 3 screws securing the left handlebar switch. Tighten the 3 screws to secure the new left handlebar switch. Tighten the 2 screws to secure left brake lever. Attach the spiral cable wrap to the left handlebar switch cable. Plug the left handlebar switch wire to the connector. Tighten the 2 screws to secure the LCD screen. Place the LCD wire through the frame and secure it with the plug. Tighten the 3 cable ties and 2 wire buckles to secure the LCD wire. Secure the headlight assembly. Tighten the 7 screws to secure the front left and right guard. Ensure the 4 clamp plates are properly mounted on the left inner cover. Tighten the 10 screws to secure the left inner cover. Tighten the 4 screws to secure the front air deflector. Tighten the 6 screws to secure the bottom cover. Tighten the 7 screws to secure the upper left guard and follow the same steps to secure the upper right guard. Reapply the stickers or replace them on both sides. Secure the seat assembly with the 2 screws. Close the battery compartment cover.